It's How To in Under 2. I'm your host, Jen Zelman, and I've brought back with me something from Italy that you're gonna love this summer. It's called an Aperol Spritz. It's the summer cocktail over there, and it's gonna be over here. It is so easy, it's minimal ingredients, minimal time, and it is so delicious. Over there, they kind of use it as like an aperitif, but I think it's good at any time of day, to be honest. So you start with Prosecco or any sparkling wine. I bought a $10 one at the liquor store, really easy. And you do a 3 count, so 1, 2, 3, a little extra. Technically it's supposed to be 3 ounces, but I'm not gonna use a shot glass and dirty it if I don't have to. I'm a mom and I'm gonna do as least number of dishes as possible. So we're gonna guesstimate. Aperol, the most important ingredient in this. It's hard to describe the flavor. It's kind of like an orangey. It's weird, but it's delicious. So you have to just take my word for it or try it. The bottle's about $20 range, so it's not too costly. And you do a 2-second pour of this, so about 2 ounces. So 1, 2, and it gives it a beautiful summery color. And last but not least, you do a splash of club soda. So I usually have this around, so that's an easy ingredient to do. And no shaker involved, no fancy schmancy bartending skills. You just pour, mix around over the ice, add a little grapefruit or orange slice garnish to make it look pretty. And voila, you are ready to go, girlfriend. You got an Aperol Spritz to sip by the pool, watch your kids go swimming, and enjoy. So hope you can get around to making this easy, fun drink, and join us next time here. Thanks for watching How To in Under 2, presented by Modern Mom. For more content like this, make sure to subscribe to Modern Mom's YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and we love hearing from real moms like you, so make sure you leave us comments, give us your feedback, and definitely send in your ideas for more upcoming videos of How To in Under 2. Thanks for watching.